breaking news that is coming in. Let's cut straight across to it. Rattled Republic TV has issued a statement now, and I quote, the CFO of Republic News channel has informed the Mumbai police that the channel has approached the Supreme Court, and within a week there will be a hearing. So he has requested Mumbai police to not proceed with the investigation, unquote. That's the latest coming in. But so evading Mumbai police, evading the summons, the CFO of Republic TV evades summons. It is completely rattled at this point of time. They've gone ahead, issued a statement saying that they are not going to be appearing before the Mumbai police. They've gone ahead and said and requested Mumbai police to not proceed with the investigation. Divyesh is still with us. Divyesh, this is the same people who continue to question. They claim to be very righteous, but they themselves do not want to appear when a summons has been issued. What is it that they're trying to hide?
Yes, Shruti, you rightly questioned. What is the issue? What do they fear? That if they face this probe, if they are investigated, if they are questioned, if they are being investigated, they should join investigation. If they are innocent, as they've been claiming that they are not involved in any kind of rigging of TRPs, they should appear before the agency and give their statements, reveal all the details as asked by the agency. But here they are trying to hide. They are not appearing before the investigating agency. The CFO, Shiva Sundaram, was asked to join investigation at 11 a.m. It is past 12 noon.
Kesh, my only limited point over here is the fact that if you have nothing to hide, you will show up and you will respect the summons which has been issued to you. At the moment, what they've gone ahead and done is requested the Mumbai police to not proceed with the investigation. If you have nothing to hide, go and appear. Go and appear and face the questions that you are being asked. Pankaj, can you hear me? Pankaj, can you hear me? All right, we'll get our reporters back in just a moment. This is a big question as to why is it that Republic TV is not appearing on the summons that have been issued to them. Divyesh still continues to be with us. Divyesh, the limited point here being Republic TV, if it has nothing to hide, why is it that they are requesting the Mumbai police to not proceed with the investigation? What is it that they are running away from? Our reporters will be joining us in just about a bit. I'm requesting the producers to re-establish our connection right there to the reporters who are joining in from Mumbai. But it's a rattled Republic TV that has now issued a statement, and I quote, the CFO of Republic News channel has informed the Mumbai police that the channel has approached the Supreme Court, and within a week there will be a hearing. So he has requested Mumbai police to not proceed with the investigation, unquote. Republic TV CFO will not be appearing before the Mumbai police today. This despite Mumbai police issuing that particular summons and roping in the economic offences wing as well and conduct the forensic audit of their financials, and Republic TV seems to be cornered at this point of time. The CFO has gone ahead and told Mumbai police that they've gone ahead and filed a case before the Supreme Court. Divyesh is still with us. Divyesh, what I was saying earlier is this. You've got a summons. Republic TV has been issued a summons. If you have nothing to hide, just appear before the Mumbai police and answer their questions. Why is it that you have to run away from this particular investigation and issue a statement to the Mumbai police saying, please do not process with the investigation and do not continue with the investigation?
Yeah, Chaiti, why are they evading the Mumbai police? Why are they hiding from the Mumbai police if they have nothing to hide? They're not done anything wrong. They're not involved in this TRP scam and rigging of TRPs. Why are they not appearing before the Mumbai police's investigation team that has summoned the CFO of Republic TV, Shiva Sundaram? As of now, there's been no communication. We just spoke to the Mumbai police, but as per their statement that the Republic TV has issued, they will not be joining investigation. That is what they've indicated. But right now, if they do not appear, if they do not honor the summons that have been issued to them, they can be arrested for non-cooperation. And that is the discretionary power that the agency has. They have issued summons, and right now the officials of Republic TV, the CFO Shivasundaram, hasn't appeared, and they are issuing statement that they will not be able to appear. That means they are not cooperating with the probe, and through exercising their discretionary powers, the agency can go ahead and arrest them for non-cooperation.
Question here is, Pankaj is also here with us. Pankaj, they were going to be questioned on the diversion of funds, on the proceeds of crime in terms of advertising revenue earned by faking TRPs, and now they are buying time. This is stalling tactic. They do not want to appear before the Mumbai police and take those questions. You know, it's very, very evident that they're absolutely rattled and they're absolutely cornered at this point of time, Pankaj.
Oh, absolutely, Chati. Clearly, diversionary tactics at its best. But as I was talking to the sources in the Mumbai police, they maintain that their investigation is going on a clear-cut line. They are very clear as to what their line of questioning is going to be. They maintain at this point of time, they would look for some clear-cut answers from the top management of the Republic TV. They know what the story really is, and the management knows what the questions are going to be asked. And that's the reason why, perhaps, in spite of summons being issued, now they are being delayed and such tactics are being deployed. If you have done no wrong, then why resort to such tactics? Why not come out clean? So Mumbai police will definitely be keeping them in its mind. But as I was talking to my sources and the Mumbai police in the morning hours, they were saying there are certain specific questions. Was the management aware of about this rigging? Who were involved amongst the management in this? Who was the person who was taking the decisions after all? And was the CFO aware of it? What is going to be his defense? So these are going to be some of the very pertinent questions that are going to be posed in front of the CFO. At the same time, Mumbai police also says that the various accountants are also going to be called in. So it's not sure, it should not happen, or it should not be perceived that only the top management or the bosses are being focused. Everyone in the chain is going to be questioned. Mumbai police says that they have got a very
absolutely, and they've decided to just ignore the summons and not appear before the Mumbai police, and they are absolutely rattled, and they've gone ahead and issued a statement. Really, the statement says that they are requesting the Mumbai police to not proceed with the investigation.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.